Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. We're going flying again today. We're going to go out here to the middle of nowhere, this hill, and fly to the top of this mountain and dive down this big rock slab and just take a look, get some pretty video, and then fly back. And hopefully all goes as planned. It is hot today, so we're going to get in the air as soon as we can. So let's go flying.
Let's see if it'll arm. Armed.
We got it armed this time.
We got it armed this time. Okay.
We're good to go.
Let's see, yeah. Verify home distance, altitude, and sats. We got that. And
okay.
Take off and look for home point.
Whoa.
Okay.
That was a crazy takeoff.
Yeah, now turn around and look here.
Altitude 12. No, that's mile per hour. 39 feet. Here we go. Let me get my sea legs here. This kind of yellow road.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you just got to watch the voltage for me and the times.
Okay.
Get some air across this flight VTX and get this thing cooled down. It's the ground controller's hot too. That's why it's got sparks on it. You're aimed at big slide?
I'm aimed at the slide right now.
Okay. I'm gonna give it some gas, man.
Okay.
Yeah, that was good. I'm not going very fast.
No, you're not.
We're up 300 feet too.
Uh-huh.
We're probably getting level with the upper road.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Antennas, yeah, they're there.
They're close.
What they're worth.
Yep. Now they just.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, Jim, is I'm gonna get over here to the hill and turn around and look back at us.
Okay.
From here. This is 3,800 feet out.
I'm aiming at the slide area.
Okay. Oh, I see our takeoff spot. That big clear cut.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got it?
Good. I'm glad I studied this beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
3.78.
3.78. We're 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the flight.
Okay, good. Oh, yeah, there is a little valley here that I could end up going down into if I weren't too smart about it. 3.75. One of those weak antennas might be that Crosshair Extreme.
Could be. Sometimes I get 3 bad ones. Usually got 1 on.
Yeah, so aim at the...
Aim at the top here.
Aim it at the slide.
I'm aimed at the slide now.
Okay. Yeah, get ready to aim towards the top of a slide, I guess. We're at 1.29 miles and we're up 1,500 feet. I see a big rock slab. What do you see?
I see a big rock slab.
Aim at the top here.
Okay, we're good here.
There's our hero shot. I see our home point. Let me just look around here. This is nice and safe, good line of sight. Whoa, dude, what a view.
Nice view up there, isn't it? Sun's nice today.
Okay, to the very peak on the, more to the left of the slide.
I got it.
We're gonna go to there.
Okay.
3.81. Since we're up here.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna go, in a minute, I'm gonna leave the peak and then go back to...
The slide area?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just lining up for a shot here. .376. Where's our slide?
Should be coming up.
Is it right there?
It should
Oh
be.
no, there it is. Okay.
Right there.
I missed it. Okay. Bad me. I'm gonna go back around. 372. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
.23 miles an hour. Okay, you're at the top of the slide, right?
At the top of the slide. Here we go.
You gotta pull out about here-ish.
Okay.
That wasn't much, but that was interesting. Okay, I'm down at the bottom of the slide on the right side.
I see you.
Go back and look at this. I gotta learn to dive closer. See these rocks on the left?
Mm-hmm.
You can't even see them with your eye,
No.
can you?
No.
Hey, we're looking for the white spot on the right, aren't we?
Yeah, we were looking for the white spot.
What is that? I'm looking for it. It might be that rock. See this rock on my
I see
screen?
that rock on your screen there.
That's probably what we're seeing through
through the trees.
the trees. Yeah, I think.
See, there's a white spot on it right there.
Yeah, we're seeing that through the trees. Okay, we're at 7 minutes, 3.6. Just aiming right at the slide.
We are aimed right at the slide now.
Yeah, it's a warm day.
Isn't it nice?
Our VTX, our receiver is, our VRX is hot, so it's got spreckles on it.
Uh-huh.
I am not this good. I am not that good.
That's pretty nice.
I've got to pull up about here, otherwise I lose my line of sight. You see, there's my line of sight.
Mm-hmm.
There's the road, and there's this hill over here. 3.5. Let's go up this other ridge,
Okay.
and we're gonna go up this ridge. Time is 8. We got lots of time, don't we?
We got lots of time.
I could probably do a third attempt at that. Do I want to try to go down our trees here? I think I should probably go down the slide one more time, and then I'll
Okay.
work on the trees.
Okay.
So I'm going to cross back over to the slide. I'm to the base of the slide. You aiming there?
Yep.
3, 4, 6.
3, 4,
9
6.
minutes.
Mm-hmm. Well, 9 minutes right now.
Top of the slide, right?
Right.
Got to go up. I'm gonna lose my signal. Almost lost my signal.
So it just started to shade a little bit there.
Almost stopped my line. Okay, we're gonna go to, I think this is the top of road.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go up the ridge, 345. Let's just fly level for a little bit.
Okay.
Look at our voltage. 10 minutes. We're gonna go up here and dive down once. The bugs are starting to get on me here.
Uh-oh.
They've discovered I'm sweating, so they like to drink me. So we're going on this left peak. We're going up the hill here. You see where I'm going?
I got you on the left peak here.
I'm gonna go to the left peak. But I don't know where the cut is for the those trees, you know?
Mm-hmm.
If it's, have you just passed it or further?
I thought it was just under us just a minute ago, but
Let's look. Yeah, you're right. It's
there.
right there.
Uh-huh. You can see it now.
So we'll come back here and go look at the left peak here. 340. We're in that flat curve of lots of time at 340 on the battery.
Okay. We just want to watch it when it gets down
Time.
to 3.3.
11 minutes.
11 minutes, okay.
You're aimed at the left peak.
I'm aimed at the left peak, right.
Okay, we're going down the left tree cut.
Yep. We'll look for the high road here in a minute.
Okay. I think we're at the high road.
Right about there.
Keep going down.
Yeah.
Should probably pull up soon, huh?
Well, yeah.
I don't know where low road is. Probably around here, I think. I just ride over low road. I just pulled
there's
up.
the low road, right?
There's the low road right there.
Yep. Uh-huh.
There's the low road. I can go a little below the low road, can I?
Yep, you can go just a little below the low road.
Okay, let's do that again. 335, 12 minutes. We got time to go up, think one more time up.
Okay.
And then down once. And we wanted to start coming back at what, 14 minutes?
No, well, we wanted to start coming back at 3.25, which was 17 minutes. We wanted to make sure we were back by
My GoPro's is
45, 3.15.
Okay, we're going to just do one pass and then come back.
Okay. Because we're getting closer now. One pass will do us.
Batteries are just like... Low road is even with us, isn't it, altitude-wise?
Just about, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't look at the altitude when we hit it, but I'll look this time.
Okay, here we go. You're at the top of the tree cut, right?
Right.
Going to be at low road here.
Okay.
I think we're at low road. I mean high road.
High road there, yeah.
Let's bring her home. 150 feet. Let's bring her home.
Okay. 111 feet now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at
altitude.
325, and we're 14 minutes and 25 seconds in.
Okay. Backing off the throttle. Slowing me down. and I'm going, I even didn't look at the arrow for the first time. Backing off the throttle to give us power in our battery. I think that's where we're at.
I think so.
Arrow says straight ahead, 27 miles an hour, 1,300 feet. Hey, look at the amp meter.
Yeah.
Why is it close to normal now?
I don't know. It's hot.
Dude, it's working now. The amp meter used to not work. Today on a hot day, it's working. Okay. Jim, go figure that one out.
I can't figure that one out.
Because that's about 4,000, isn't it? You know, that's about right. Tree in front of me.
Should be, let's see, we're at 327, 325. That's 4,000 milliamp.
4,100. Now I got to figure out where to land this thing. I'm just going to play it conservative.
You're coming in. I got eyes on you right here.
I'm going to land on the road to my right.
Okay. That's where your marker is anyway.
I can't see it with the bushes in the way. A bit of wind, I guess. I don't know.
That's good approach. Up just, well, there you go. Now back towards you. Good job.
Another scary flight.
You did
Brought to you by
nice job landing that.
4,300 milliamps. 16-minute flight. What's the chart say?
Let's see, 4,300.
Is that about right? I mean, I don't know.
It'd be 4,500 would be an 18-minute flight.
Okay, maybe that isn't
It's
too
not quite
accurate,
right.
though.
It's a little bit low.
But it's not 40,000 or something like that.
No, it's not 40,000. It's more in the ballpark, but it's not perfect.
That was, dude, I'm shaking. I'm sorry.
Well,
I'm just like, because I'm sweating.
and the flies are
And the
flying around.
flies.
It's not a comfortable
And the
thing.
wind.
Uh-huh.
And my neck hurts.
Uh-huh.
And the battery.
Right.
Why do we do this? It's supposed to relax.
Right. And
The doctor told me to drop my blood pressure.
You got 2 minutes to go into deco, and
And I got 500 pounds of air left.
you
and
got
we're gonna run
500
out.
pounds of air left. Yeah.
Well, we made it back alive, and it is hot. And we'll take a look at the video and see what happens. Boy, that was nerve-wracking for some reason, because I'm not very good at diving. Anyways, thanks for watching.